Hi, my name is Tom Zakarash, and I am an AI and marketing instructor with General Assembly. I've been working in digital for the best part of 16 years, and I've been teaching with GA now for 11 years, which I can't quite believe. It's gone very, very fast. I actually run a digital consultancy. We specialize in applied generative AI in digital marketing. And aside from that, I have it started out as a hyper-local grocery delivery service, which is how I kind of got my start in generative AI. In a GA classroom, there's a real buzz, there's a real energy. There's just a sense that everybody's there because they want to learn, they want to get a glimpse into the future. And so I think there's just that kind of real alignment with the learners, with the kind of content. And I think, that's it in a nutshell. So I think learners and enterprises need to think very seriously about skilling up in AI, because whether we like it or not, AI, generative AI, agentic AI is going to increasingly become part of the workforce. And we need to understand what this technology is good at, what it's bad at, and actually how we can integrate these tools into our day-to-day workflow. I think there's a whole bunch of different people who've said something along the lines of AI is not going to take your job, but someone who is able to use AI just might. So I think that's the kind of guiding philosophy here. So I think in terms of what other skills or trends are popping up within AI, of course, the sort of big thing at the moment is actually thinking about agentic AI. But the tricky thing is no one is entirely aligned on what AI agents even are, how useful they can be, and actually which direction things are going to move in. Are we going to have agentic workflows, or are we going to have literal agents as co-workers, as colleagues? So I think that's going to be a really interesting trend that we're going to be digging into a lot over the next year or two. I think my favorite part of teaching is actually when you see the impact several years on. I've had several cohorts where we've kept in touch. We've seen how people's careers have developed, the companies they've started. And I think that's been the most kind of rewarding long-term thing about teaching. I would love to see you on some of our upcoming programs. If you want to break into AI, or if you just want to use generative AI to actually enhance your existing career, you're absolutely 100% in the right place.